Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. This is part 5 of my Goodwill Outlet haul. I've been having fun showing you all the goodies that I found, and I hope that it's been helpful for you. I've got another bin to show you, and then I'll go on and explain the other 2 items I have after the one we found in the bin. So there'll be 3 items in total. Some will go on Amazon, some will go on eBay, and I'll explain why. All right, treasure hunters, here's our bin. What looks interesting to you? Now, if you've watched part 4, you've seen this bin before, but there were actually 2 items in this bin that I found. So if you've watched part 4, you've seen the one item, and the other one is very similar to it. So there's my only hint that I'm giving you. So can you find it? What looks interesting to you? What would you pick out of here? All right, now that I've given you a few seconds, I will ruin the surprise. All right, there it is. It's a Pokemon McDonald's toy. It's from 2017, but the one thing that really appealed to me is, for one, Pokemon is still very, very popular, and it comes with a card that goes along with the toy, and so that's really unique as well. So here's our Pokemon toy. It is called Pokemon Papilo. It's a McDonald's toy, comes with some Pokemon cards, and it's from 2017. So he's a unique looking guy, and here's a couple of different pictures for him. So here's the listing I found on Amazon for him. He's got a pretty good sales rank in toys, 314,000. He's a Pokemon number 2 Papilo McDonald's action figure from 2017. And the one thing I noticed right away is that there's no Amazon sellers and no FBA sellers. There are 10 people trying to sell it from their own warehouse or own space, but I'm definitely going to get the buy box because I send mine into the warehouse. So how much am I going to make on this Pokemon McDonald's toy? Well, so far it's listed at $7.52 is the low price. Fees are $4.12. And then I, of course, paid very little at the Goodwill Outlet with a profit of $3.40. Now, you may think that's not very much, but I'm actually going to upcharge. Anytime somebody sells something merchant fulfilled, which is the 10 other people that are selling it merchant fulfilled, they have to charge shipping. Well, because I can send mine to the warehouse, it's available for Prime customers who always get free shipping. So I can charge up to $2 to $3 more, and mine will still be less cost than those other sellers just because mine's sitting at the warehouse. Here's my next fun item I found at the Goodwill Outlet. It is called a Farm Friend Unstuffies. So it's actually a toy that you stuff yourself. At first I thought it was broken or torn open, but that's actually how it comes. It has the original tag. It's called Griggles Farm Friend Unstuffies. You can put like a water bottle in there and he'll make a crinkle sound, or you can put other kind of stuffing in there, but it's supposed to be a toy for pets, but it's a small mole, and it's very, very interesting, and I actually found it on Amazon. Part of the reason why I found it on Amazon is because it had a barcode on the back of the tag that was on it. Now, as you can see, you can't see the whole picture on this listing. For whatever reason, it has a humongous picture, but you can see that it's $366,000 in pet products is the listing, and so that's a pretty good sales rank. This is considered a pet toy, not just a regular toy, and so I'm going to show you kind of what the pricing is and some of the things I look at. As I scroll down, you'll notice something a little bit different. There are no prices. That means there's none of these on Amazon at all. So nobody's trying to merchant fulfill them. No one's trying to FBA them, and Amazon is not selling them, which means automatically I get the buy box and I get to sell it for whatever I think. So I'll probably do some research on eBay, find out what they're going for on eBay, and that'll give me an idea of where I want to price it on Amazon. I usually price it a little bit higher just simply because of the free shipping offered for the Prime customers. But one thing I want to show you is that selling eligibility, because I don't know which types of conditions I can sell in. I'm going to actually click that box, jump to the next screen, and see, can I sell it new or used or collectible or refurbished? Okay, I click that selling eligibility button, and I notice right away the green check mark says I can sell it in new, used, and refurbished conditions, but I cannot sell it collectible. So just make sure when you're listing it that you never click the collectible button. If it's in kind of rough shape and you want to sell it used, you can call it used or refurbished. My last and most unique item that I have found is a bag that was hand embroidered by Ethiopian women. I actually have a tag here that I'll show you that signifies that, and I'm thinking about putting this either in a lot of eBay stuff or just trying to sell it on its own. It's about the size of a large cell phone, and so it's very usable and practical, and I think I can get maybe $5 to $10 on eBay for it. Part of the reason I didn't give you an exact number of how much I can make is I cannot find them on eBay or Amazon. So this is definitely just going to be a nice decorative purse that I'm going to try to sell on eBay. I hope you've been enjoying these finds that I found at my Goodwill outlet in my area, and you go shop at your Goodwill outlet in your area. Please let me know what you find at yours. Let me know what I may have missed in the bins and what you look for when you go thrifting. Goodwill Outlet has great, fantastic prices. I hope you find good stuff and you pay it on the cheap, and you can always flip it on Amazon and eBay. Just make sure your condition is proper and that you're following all the eBay and Amazon guidelines. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.